Welcome to this explainer. If you're 50 or older, or honestly, if you're just looking for a way to build some truly incredible functional strength without those high-impact, joint-stressing moves that leave you aching for days, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating, highly effective routine based entirely on a concept called the Stillness method. We're going to completely rethink how we approach fitness as we age. So instead of frantic repetitions, we're focusing on absolute rock-solid control. Okay, let's dive right into this. Static strength. This is all about building power through stillness, control, and perfect form. The source material emphasizes that for adults 50 and older, consistency and perfect posture are absolutely the keys to maintaining mobility and joint health. So we aren't doing jumping jacks or heavy, explosive Olympic lifts here. No way. We're doing something much more focused. By holding perfect posture under tension, you're building endurance, protecting those joints, and developing a foundation of strength that translates directly into everyday life. So we've broken this entire blueprint down into 5 straightforward steps for you. We'll look at strength through stillness, the gentle warm-up, upper body and core, lower body and stability, and finally, the ultimate finisher. Don't worry, we'll guide you step by step through setting up this safe fitness routine. Section 1. Strength through stillness. This is the absolute foundation of the method. Now, the secret sauce here isn't counting to 100 reps. It's the whole time. You want to start your holds between 10 to 20 seconds. And get this, isometric holds actually recruit almost 100% of your muscle fibers. That's way more than traditional lifting. But listen, the absolutely crucial point here, only increase your time as long as your form remains flawless. Keeping perfect alignment is infinitely more important than the length of the hold. Actually, scratch that. It's literally the only thing that matters. If you start to shake and your form breaks down at 12 seconds, stop at 12 seconds. The endurance is going to naturally build over time. Section 2. The gentle warm-up. This is all about priming your joints safely. All right, here are the 6 mandatory warm-up movements. Think of this like oiling the hinges before you put any weight on the door. You start with wrist circles, stand tall, arms in front, rotating slowly both ways while keeping your shoulders perfectly relaxed. Then ankle circles, lifting one foot for controlled rotation. For knee circles, place your hands on your slightly bent knees and make small, soft circles. Next up, hip circles. These should be large and slow to really loosen up that lower back. Then a standard shoulder stretch, bringing one arm across the chest while ensuring that shoulder stays down and relaxed. And finally, neck mobility, just slowly turning your head left and right and gently tilting side to side. So the crucial point is safety first. During that warm-up, particularly with your knees and your neck, do not twist, jerk, snap, or force the motion. Seriously, if a circle feels tight, just make it smaller. The whole goal here is gentle lubrication of the joints, right? We're not trying to force flexibility where it doesn't currently exist. Okay, with the body all primed, let's look at how this weekly schedule is laid out. It alternates beautifully to give you a really balanced, manageable path to full body strength. Days 1 and 3 are completely dedicated to your upper body and core. Days 2 and 4, they focus on lower body, stability, and grip. This split is brilliant because it ensures that while one half of your body is working hard in stillness, the other half is actively recovering. Section 3, upper body and core. This covers days 1 and 3. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the hollow body hold. It's a total masterclass in core protection. So you lie on your back, lift your shoulders, extend your arms overhead, and extend your legs straight. Though please note, you can absolutely bend your knees if needed. But look closely at step 4. For the 50-plus crowd, this is the golden rule. The lower back must stay pressed firmly into the floor the entire time. If your back arches up off the floor, your core just disengaged and your spine is taking all the load. We don't want that. Press that lower back down like you're trying to crush a grape underneath it. The rest of your day 1 and 3 routine looks like this. You've got the horse stance. Feet wider than your shoulders, toes out, lowering your hips like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep that chest lifted and push your knees out over your toes. If your legs are burning here, you're doing it right. Then the Superman hold. You lie face down, lift your arms, chest, and legs, and make sure to squeeze those glutes hard while keeping your neck neutral by looking straight down. Next is the low dragon lunge, a deep lunge to open the hips. Shift forward while keeping your chest fully upright. And hey, drop your back knee to the floor if you need to. Finally, the towel twist hold. You literally grip a towel and twist it like you're wringing out water, keeping maximum tension in your arms and core. It sounds simple, but holding that tension for 20 seconds, it's incredibly challenging. Just remember to breathe. Moving right along to section 4, lower body and stability, days 2 and 4. Let's quickly compare 2 holds that span across your week. On days 1 and 3, you have the bottom push-up hold. Your chest is just hovering above the floor, elbows tucked tight, body in a perfectly straight line. But on days 2 and 4, you're doing the 90-degree push-up hold. Here, you are exactly at the midpoint of the push-up. Your elbows are at a strict 90-degree angle. Your core must be completely tight and your back flat. Do not let that chest sink. These subtle shifts in elbow angles change the entire dynamic of the stabilization, giving you comprehensive shoulder and chest strength. Continuing with days 2 and 4, we have the wall sit. Just slide down a wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor, feet flat, gently pressing your lower back right into the wall. Then the shoulder tap plank. Get into a plank with your feet a bit wider than normal for stability and tap your opposite shoulder. The absolute key here, keep your hips completely level. Imagine a full glass of water resting on your lower back. Don't let it spill by twisting your torso. Next is the isometric glute bridge, lifting your hips to form a straight line from shoulders to knees and squeezing the glutes hard at the top. Finally, the cat-cow spine flow. On your hands and knees, slowly inhale to lower the belly, then exhale to round the back. This slow, steady mobilization is wonderful for the spine after holding all that tension. The last element of days 2 and 4 is the dead hang, which is an unparalleled grip and shoulder stability exercise. You simply grab a pull-up bar and hang straight down. Keep your arms extended and your shoulders controlled. And what brings this directly back to our theme is the instruction to breathe calmly and avoid swinging. You are literally practicing absolute stillness while your entire body weight challenges your grip and upper back. It's a real game changer. And finally, section 5, the ultimate finisher. The farmer's carry. And this brilliantly illustrates what we've been working towards. The farmer's carry forces strong, upright posture from start to finish. It's essentially training for that ultimate real-world scenario, trying to carry all the grocery bags into the house in a single trick. It demands that you take the static strength you just cultivated on the floor or the wall and apply it to an upright, moving, real-world scenario. It is absolutely the perfect conclusion to a stillness session. So after seeing how methodically this is structured, from the gentle joint preparation to the precision of the hollow body hold, right through to that final farmer's carry, we have to ask, are you ready to find your strength in stillness? True functional power at 50 and beyond doesn't come from momentum. It comes from consistency, control, and perfectly steady form. So what other areas of your life could transform if you just learn to hold your ground and be still? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I highly encourage you to try bringing a little more stillness into your next workout.